So today we're going to be taking a look at the Belkin anti-glare screen protector for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I picked this up in the Apple Store a couple days ago, and obviously, you know, you want a screen protector. Even though Apple says it's the strongest glass they've had, don't think you want to be taking any chances. So this is one of the screen protectors they sell in the store, in the Apple Store. I've been using one for my 6S Plus that I've loved. It has a very nice texture to it. Easy scrolling back and forth. You don't really like, your fingers don't get stuck or whatever. It's anti-glare and it's kind of a matte finish, so it's not very shiny. You're not going to be having like this big reflection in your face every time you look at the screen. So I told the gentleman at the Apple Store who was helping me out with my iPhone that that's kind of what I was looking for, and he recommended this Belkin. So we're going to unbox it, put it on the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and see how it does. So on the back here we have improved visibility, we have a scratch guard, and we have ultra slim. There's also a 2-year limited warranty that goes with this product. So you know, so I think we're covered. So let's just get this unboxed here. We have some instructions on the side. Our cleaning cloth. I've got a cleaning cloth over here that I'll probably use, but well, we may use this one. Now some of these, they come with like a spray that you spray on the iPhone first. It doesn't look like this one comes with one of those. I'm not really sure what this card is for, although I'm sure the instructions will say. Okay, so this little white card is to help remove bubbles that get stuck up under the screen protector after it's applied. We've got a Belkin dust remover sticker. So this is going to replace that you know, the liquid spray that I was talking about, and you know, that you get sometimes with other screen protectors. And this is the screen protector itself. Okay, so the first directions say we need to wipe the iPhone down, it looks like. So we'll use this cloth. We'll use this, and then I guess we'll use the sticker to take all the dust off and stuff. Try and not get my fingerprints on the very, very side of the screen here. Let's see if we can use... This is very strange. I feel weird putting a sticker on my phone. I don't think we'll need it. It doesn't look like... Well, you know what? For the sake, for you guys, we'll test it out. We'll see how it does. Okay, that's not bad. I was afraid it was gonna like harm it in some way, but now what? So we need to take this out of the box here. Oh no, we put this in here. Interesting. So this goes right here. Okay. Wow, they make this so easy. Okay, and then does this just go back down? Okay, okay. So there's a protective film right here that gets taken off. All right, so we will take this protective thing off and put this down. Nice. Okay. And we can use this card to remove the bubbles. So it's not uncommon for some bubbles to get stuck in here and not be able to come out. I'm hoping they'll go away in a few days, maybe a week. It was the same case with my previous iPhone. Got a pretty big bubble right in there. Okay, so it looks like this little sticker right here pulls the screen back off if you need it to come back off for whatever reason. I don't think we need it to come off. So how do I? All right, so we finally got the case on. It's a little bit confusing. So the cover, the screen protector that comes with the screen protector is on the screen protector, but it's very difficult to like get the screen protector off of the screen protector. So every time, the directions say to pull this little tab here. Every time I was pulling that tab, the entire screen protector came off the phone, and I'm like, I'm reading the directions, but the directions are saying something completely different than what's happening. But I figured out what to do. So we're gonna take the screen protector. This is very difficult because it's stuck on there so well, but I think we're okay. Okay, we got it. I'm gonna hold down on the screen protector real quick. There we go. Now the phone is ready to come out. All right, so we need to take the phone out now. So there's this hole nicely placed in the back. You just press your finger through it, and the phone will pop out. Okay. There we go. So now I have a nice screen protector on the iPhone 11. It looks good. The texture is not as pleasing as the other one I was using, although it's not nearly as bad as like just, you know, swiping your fingers on the regular screen. I don't know, when I swipe the screen without any protection on it, like my fingers get stuck. I don't know, it's weird. It's a weird feeling. Touch, you know, touch works just fine. Yeah, I mean, so initial impressions, This is a fine screen protector. The installation process was a little bit cumbersome, but and partly that's because I'm trying to think about how to film this video at the same time as doing everything else. But yeah, so that's that, guys. So that was the Belkin anti-glare screen protector for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. They also make these for the 11 Pro and just the 11. So if you're looking at getting a screen protector while you're in the Apple Store picking up your new iPhone, other than the installation process, this looks like it's going to do just fine. It adds a nice matte anti-glare finish to your phone, so it reduces reflections and things like that. So yeah. So one more thing I will say about the screen protector here is that the it's not going to be nearly as much of a fingerprint. It's actually not going to be a fingerprint magnet at all. My fingerprints aren't even. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up, but it's basically like no fingerprints. You can easily wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. If it gets a little bit dirty, it's fine. So about the installation again, the system where you put the phone inside the box and you basically just kind of like put the cover on top of it, that makes that part of the installation super simple. But again, this little tab down here, I think is connected a little too strongly to the screen protector itself, and when you try and pull it up, it just pulls off the entire thing. So yeah, and that's that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps out tremendously. See y'all in the next one.